We're at a place called Warunk Cuci, and we're going to go in. They've got a special deal on for all you can eat dim sums for 135,000. So we're going to go in, check it out. Now it's a all you can eat special for 135,000. You just pick what you want on your menu and they cook it for you. So we just ordered about 5 or 6 of these dim sum, and they're going to bring more out. I think I got 5, you only ordered 4. It's about $12 to eat as much as you want. You can order more if you want later. So it's at Warunk Cuci. Now it's right opposite the beach on Jalan Pantai. It's got the great big Grand Istana Rama hotel in the back, and this is what we got. So we'll just try out this food and see what it's like. And once again, got the dreaded chopsticks. Now these ones are prawn ones. Dip it in a bit of chili oil. It's got a fresh prawns in that. This is like a soy may one. So these are like a little steamed gyoza, and these are steamed, not fried. They've just got a prawn in them. And apparently these are about 30 to 40,000, $3 to $4 each if you just come in and eat, not on the special day. Now it's only for November, so you've got 2 weeks left. You got to look up Warunk Cuci on Instagram. You WhatsApp them and you tell them you're coming in and you get the special, you get the deal. So we'll try one of these out. These are another big prawn one. Look at that, they're massive. Oh, it's dripping. That's, yeah, it's like tom yum flavour or something. Yeah, it's really good. All right, so we're going to hook into this. What do you think, darling? Yuli's hooking in.
Order more.
I ordered 5, she ordered 4, so we've got another 5 coming out, but it's all you can eat, so I'm just going to sit here and stuff my face, because you can easily eat these pretty quick. They're only a mouthful each. And we're just going to keep eating for as long as we can, may as well. Now it's about 11 o'clock it opens, and we haven't had any breakfast yet. We thought we'd just wait till we got here and stuff our faces, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So here's some more coming out now. I don't know what they might.
Fried.
Are they fried ones? Oh, these are like the gyoza. So you've got steamed ones and you've got fried ones. More soy may.
Dua ya. Iya emang enak. Tapi nggak pedas dia, bagusnya dia nggak terlalu pedas.
Enak sekali ini ya. Iya, iya.
Dua ya. Sama coba ini.
Ya. Lagi aja, lagi itu satu. Alright. Alright, thank you. Alright, so we'll try out one of these fried gyoza ones. I love gyozas, they're really good. But I dip a bit of chili oil. Probably burn my mouth out.
Not very spicy.
These are chicken. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is some of the best. Because it's fresh, they make them all fresh. They're not packet or bought ones or anything, so they are so good, they really are.
One more dish.
So we just ordered another 3 plates. I'm at the end, we'll see how many we can eat. I think we've ordered like 11 of these little things. There's only 2 or 3 in each one, so we've already ordered 11. And we'll see how many we can eat, I suppose, before we finish. What are those ones?
Yeah.
Right, so these are green things, but they've got a prawn inside. Oh, they're crunchy. Oh, what is it? I don't know what's inside it. Prawn and something.
Same like this. It's called fried argao.
Wow, well, these are really good too. I normally like the steamed ones. They're easy to eat, but these are very good. Right, so these ones are chicken and prawn. So it's got like a chicken mince or something with a prawn on top. Wow, they're good. Maybe I should order a couple more of them too. So we've nearly finished already 10 of these little baskets full already. So it's about 270,000 for both of us, and we've already eaten 400,000's worth. So your drinks are separate, not included, but yeah, so we're going to sit here, we're going to eat 500,000's worth or more of these, and yeah, wow, it's a great deal. Now, I've never ever eaten in here before, Warunk Cuci. You're dribbling, you got
Yeah.
Yellie's got it, look, dribbling at it everywhere. It's all down your mouth.
Yummy, yummy.
And she doesn't eat much, and she's already eaten a lot. But so we've just ordered another about 5 of these things. So we'll probably be eating about 600,000 or 700,000's worth of, about $70 worth of dim sums if you just come in and bought them without the November special. So check out the November special. They could have specials going all the time. You'd have to keep following them on maybe Instagram to see what's going on, or their website. So yeah, great restaurant. Never eaten here before, and yeah, I wish I had it because I'll be back for sure. All right, so here comes some more. Look out, a couple more. Oh, these are the tom yum ones, the prawn, chicken and tom yum. It's so good, eh? Like, check out these, it's got a whole prawn, the tail's just sticking out, and they're pretty big actually. And I'm going to wait because it's a little bit hot, but it's a bit hot or what? Little piggy wants to eat more, it's too hot.
One little piggy, 2 little piggy.
And it really does taste like tom yum soup, the flavour. You can see how it's orange. So we just dip it in, you can see inside it all this juicy soup and stuff's coming out. Like, anyway, I'm going to whack into this, probably burn my tongue, but it's worth it. Ah, I just dropped it. All right. When you eat it, sort of like an explosion of the tom yum soup, the chicken and that. All right. Thank you. All right, so we got some more of these fried ones, and these are like the bak po bread. So that might just do us. Probably about 15 or 16 of those little things worth, and yeah, it might be just enough. We'll see. Now, if you don't eat them, anything left over, they charge you 10,000. It's like $1 per piece that you don't eat. So I'll squeeze it in somehow, I reckon. All right, so this will be our last ones. I think we're already full. But
Udah yang keberapa? Ke-15.
thank you. All right, these are the other favourite ones. So my favourite ones are the tom yum ones, and these little chicken mince with the prawn ones. They're really, really good. So we got the assorted bak po. I'll just break one open and show you. You can see inside it's got like a filling in it, so it's like a steamed Chinese bread. All right, so we had about 16, 17 of these little bowls of stuff. We worked it out at 40,000, 45,000. We ate nearly around 700,000, about $70 worth, which is pretty good because it's only, you know, $12 each per person. So we definitely got our money worth, that's for sure. So great place. I'll be back. So it's Warunk Cuci.